Hi everyone and welcome back. You're watching Markets at Noon on ET Now. Even as Wipro is in the news for its over 9,000 crore rupee buyback, another entity owned by Azim Premji has become the country's largest player in industrial automation. Wipro Infrastructure Engineering CEO Pratik Kumar spoke to ET Now's Chandra Shrikant on their bets going forward and if they will look at unlocking value by going public. Listen in.
Hydraulics continues to be our core, and that continues to grow because we have a dominant market share in that market. And we've always been identifying, new levers for growth and new areas which are adjacent to our capabilities, which are residing within our own business. And that actually led to for us to get into aerospace, which is again into precision manufacturing. Additive, which we believe is the next big disruptor in manufacturing. It's still early, but I think give it another couple of years' time, it will be there. And industrial automation, because it really was, it was at a nice, I would say, convergence of the meeting of our understanding of domain of manufacturing and technology. And we feel, given where the India market is and given the bigger opportunity which is globally, for us to step into that area. And in any new area which we get in, Chandra, it is with the intention for us to be a leading player. When we got into industrial automation 2 years back, our desire was to be a leading player in India and have a formidable presence globally. And with this acquisition of Pari for us coming together, that positions us in the leadership position in India. And with the strength we have globally across, our own vision, our own desire would be to be a strong player globally too.
For the market to get a sense of just how big Wipro Infrastructure Engineering is, I mean, are there some numbers that you would like to share? Because, there were various numbers going around in the market about the overall valuation of Wipro Enterprises. But within that, if you look at Wipro Infrastructure Engineering, any broad numbers that you can share in terms of revenues, the number of people, profitability?
Let me keep the focus on the industrial automation. So, and I guess that's the critical piece of the discussion right now. So what comes along with this acquisition is some 1,300 extremely talented workforce. And out of the 1,300, almost 60% are engineering professionals. These are design and engineering professionals. Perhaps the largest team of design engineering professionals as part of an automation company globally anywhere across. So which positions us as the biggest player here to, although we don't specifically talk about the numbers here, but they have been growing at a fairly brisk pace. And the size of the organization has been upwards of about 500 crores. So that will give you a sense. In Wipro's own industrial automation business, which is part of infrastructure engineering business, we started 2 years back. We are a little shy of about 100 crores in terms of our order book. So you can get the sense of what this combined entity would appear.
All right. Well, that, of course, was the exclusive interaction with Pratik Kumar of Wipro Infrastructure Engineering. We'll take a very short break on the show. Don't go anywhere.